Only eating food from a Russian convenience store. Smakovichiki. I'm guessing this is a chocolate croissant. Very tasty. 5 out of 10. Chicken and mushroom noodles. Why do they always give you these tiny forks? This has to be the worst brand of noodles I've had in Russia so far. 3 out of 10. Jelly Bear fizzy drink. With these. Oh, let's try. I like it. 8 out of 10. Now with some fish sticks. Ugh. Weird. Can I say что за хуйня? Because these are horrible. We have a kid's pistachio milkshake. I can't decide whether I really like it or I really hate it.